Hello, my friends. We welcome you to the 13th day of our 40-day spiritual regimen and revival. Our snack for today comes from Hebrews chapter 2, verse 10. For it became him for whom are all things and by whom are all things, bringing many sons unto glory, to make the captain of their salvation perfect through sufferings. God has a plan for our salvation, and it's perfect. And it is activated through the sufferings of his son, Jesus Christ. God has a plan for our salvation, and it's perfect. When Jesus was in the Garden of Gethsemane, he asked God the question, Lord, if it be thy will, let this cup pass from me. But when he came to the realization that God has a plan for our salvation and is perfect, he said, nevertheless, not my will, but yours be done. God has a plan for our salvation, and it's perfect. The prophet Isaiah, over 700 years before Christ was born, said, yet it pleased the Lord to bruise him. He has put him to grief. When he shall make his soul an offering for sin. God has a plan for our salvation, and it's perfect. Looking forward to seeing you again tomorrow on our 14th day of our 40-day spiritual regimen and revival with another snack time with Pastor Mac. Looking forward to seeing you again tomorrow. Love you all. Bye-bye.